morning, everybody. It's your boy Anthony the Handyman, back with another video. It's Tuesday morning, guys. I'm on my way to grab a coffee and then to my customer's house, the doctor. You see the crack, guys. I've already kind of started, but I'm taking all the tape out. It's actually screen tape, if y'all could see. Usually you're supposed to put this regular tape here, so I'm just gonna take it out, cut my tape in half, and then mud it back down. So I'm putting the mud in, guys, and taping. Just a little touch up, guys. I just cut out what I needed to cut out so the lines ain't straight, but in the result, it'll look good.